You can't beat the algorithm, but you can trick it into growing your channel for you. Today, we're revealing 4 easy tricks that can fast-track your growth and get the algorithm to push your content. No copying video ideas or shady shortcuts, just tweaks that change how YouTube sees your channel.
So don't let your channel die in the first valley of death. Strap in, take notes, and get ready to 10x your growth. Let's go into trick number 1.
When we launch a channel, we launch it with 5 videos. That is a hard and fast rule for us, so that way people go on a significant watch time journey in that first week period, so that way it tells YouTube, wow, this is a great channel that's going to get people to watch and they're going to be really engaged.
Trick number 1 is the foundation. Launch your channel with 5 fully ready videos, not 1. I know it sounds like a lot of work up front, because it is, but this batch launch strategy is your first signal to the algorithm and to viewers that you're serious, committed, and have value to deliver.
Imagine you walk into a bookstore and find only one book, then nothing else on the shelf. Would you buy it? Probably not. Now imagine 5 books on related topics. Suddenly you trust the author has depth. Same psychology applies on YouTube. 5 videos showcase your range, your expertise, and keep viewers binge watching.
Here's what happens behind the scenes. YouTube measures session watch time, how long people stay on the platform after watching your content. If a viewer finishes video number 1 and then immediately jumps to number 2, number 3, and so on, that session skyrockets. Instead of 30 seconds of watch time, you're hitting 5 to 10 minutes. The algorithm takes note. This channel keeps people on YouTube. Promote it.
When I launched my channel, I published just 1 video, waited a week, then posted another. The views trickled in so slowly, I almost quit. Then I tried Matt Pat's 5 video rule. I bulk filmed, edited, and scheduled 5 uploads. Within 48 hours, watch time spiked 400%, subscribers doubled, and the channel started appearing in suggested feeds.
The question is, have you ever tried binge watching just 1 episode on Netflix? Of course not. You stream 3 or 4 at a time. So why expect viewers to binge just 1 short video from your channel?
Batch launching 5 videos may feel like sprinting a marathon, but it sets you up for a viral lunge. And once the algorithm gives you that initial boost, your subsequent videos will get traction more easily. But that launch alone isn't enough. You also have to choose the right topics.
Trick number 2. Pick topics with high demand and low competition. Guesswork is for amateurs. Pros use tools like Google Trends and vidIQ to identify trending niches and specific keywords that hit that sweet spot.
Start with Google Trends to see broad interest patterns. Type in something like budget travel or true crime and observe spikes around major events or seasonality. But to drill down, fire up vidIQ's Keyword Inspector. It gives you a score combining search volume and competition. You're hunting for keywords scoring around 60 to 80, where there's enough search traffic and manageable competition.
Side note, has anyone ever told you to just create what you love and views will follow? Sure, passion matters, but if nobody's searching for it, crickets. Combine passion with data, and you're unstoppable.
Once you lock in your topics, you've got the content blueprint, but views aren't enough. Keep people glued to the screen.
Trick number 3. Master retention. Even if you nail topics, the algorithm will yank you if viewers bail at 20 seconds. You need to keep them watching to the end. And the secret is storytelling.
Every video, long or short, should follow a mini 3-act structure. 1. Hook. Drop your biggest intrigue in the first 5 to 10 seconds. 2. Conflict. Present the tension or problem. And number 3. Resolution. Deliver the payoff, reveal the solution.
Say your channel covers life hacks. Your hook. Why most life hacks fail in 10 seconds. Here's the one that actually works. Then jump into a quick anecdote of a hack you tried that blew up in your face. Conflict. Finally, show the real hack that solved the problem. Resolution. All right, time for a pop quiz. What's the last video you watched all the way through? Was it because you learned something, or because the storyteller kept you guessing? Drop your answer below.
When you apply this across your entire script 5 videos, each bursting with mini 3-act structures, you'll lock in retention, sending watch time metrics through the roof. But retention alone won't keep you growing forever. You need to replicate success.
Trick number 4. Create content buckets and iterate. When you discover a format or topic that resonates, double down. Industry pros call this bucket creation. A bucket is a cluster of videos around a core theme or format. For example, tech gadget buckets. I bought the most expensive phone. I bought the cheapest phone. I tested phone hacks. Or challenge buckets, 24-hour challenge, ultimate endurance test, extreme minimalist challenge.
Look at Mr. Beast's Extreme series, Ryan Trahan's I Tried 1-star series. Mr. Who's the Boss is doing it with his I Bought the Most Blank Tech series. Or Jenny Hoyos's fitness transformation challenges. Each bucket has dozens of permutations, and each new video in the bucket cross-feeds the others, amplifying session watch time. But don't become a one-trick pony. As Mr. Beast himself says,
I'm a big believer in ending on a format while, it's not too old. I have so many viral, great ideas that I want to bring to life. There's just so many videos I want to film and so many different ideas that no one else is doing that I want to bring to the table.
overusing a format can cause fatigue. He ends a format while it's still hot and explores fresh angles to keep the audience curious. Balance exploitation of winning buckets with exploration of new ideas.
Here's a challenge. Identify one format or theme on your channel that outperformed the rest. Now, brainstorm 3 variations. Type them in the comments. Let's crowdsource fresh bucket ideas. By iterating within your buckets and innovating on the edges, you create an engine for consistent growth.
So there you have it. 4 proven tricks to unlock explosive YouTube growth. 1. Launch with 5 videos to escape the valley of death. 2. Select data-driven topics that balance demand and competition. 3. Supercharge retention with a 3-act storytelling structure. 4th, scale by building content buckets and iterating.
Knowledge alone won't move the needle, you've got to act. Record 5 videos this week. Use Google Trends and vidIQ to find your next hot topic. Script each video with mini hooks and identify your winning formats to bucket and replicate.
If you found value here, smash that like button. It tells YouTube you want more insider strategies. Subscribe and ring the bell for weekly growth hacks. And drop a comment. Which trick will you test first?
Remember, the algorithm isn't out to get you. It rewards consistent, strategic creators. Now go unlock that secret.
See you in the next video.